Parallel and perpendicular lines. Question 19. Write equation of a line perpendicular to y equals to 2x minus 1 passing through point 24. And question 20 is part of your test. Question 20 is write equation of a line perpendicular to y equals to x minus 5 passing through point 1 minus 1. So, I hope you are enjoying this process of learning and also taking tests. So I have kind of combined the worksheet with my video lectures. Now I'll do the first one for you. Now here what we have done is already given you equation in y equals to mx plus b form, correct? So it says write equation of a line perpendicular to this line passing through this point. So from here the first step is done for you, that is writing equation in y equals to mx plus b. So what we should do is from this equation we can say the slope of the line is 2, right? Now what should be the slope of perpendicular line? So we say, well, perpendicular line, let it be m perpendicular, should be equal to negative reciprocal of this. That means negative of 1 over 2. Is it okay? And this line is passing through point 2, 4. And it goes through point 2, 4, right? So that is the initial values which we have got. Now what should we do? We have to write equation of perpendicular line. So let the equation be of the form y equals to mx plus b. That is a good form of equation like given here. It gives slope and y-intercept. So from here we know what the slope is. Slope is minus half. And the point is 2 and 4, where 2 is the x value and 4 is the y value, correct? So here 2 is my x value and y value is 4. So what we will do is we'll substitute y4. So we'll write 4 here for y equals to slope is minus half, that is m, x is 2, so I'll write 2 here for x plus b. So once we substitute these points, we can find b, right? The only variable in this is b. Let's solve. We have 4 equals to minus 2 divided by 2 gives me minus 1 plus b, right? Now from here I can take minus 1 to this side, so I get 4 plus 1 equals to b, or we say b equals to 5. So we know b. So we know everything required for the line. For example, here we know m, perpendicular line, slope is how much? Minus half. Okay, minus half. And b is how much? 5, correct? And therefore, what should be the equation? Y equals to mx plus b. So I'll write y equals to m is minus half, so minus half x plus b, which is 5. So that is done, and we have written the equation in the form of slope-intercept form. Sometimes you may be required to ask this equation in standard form. In that case, get rid of fraction. That's the first step. Let's do that also. So we'll multiply every term by 2. So we get 2y equals to minus x plus 10, right? 2 times y is 2y. When you multiply by 2, this 2 cancels. We are left with minus x. 5 times 2 is 10. Now bring all the terms together and x should always be positive. So we will bring this here. We say x plus 2y minus 10 equals to 0. So that is our answer in standard form. So both these answers are correct answers. Depending on question, you may or may not be required to convert to standard form, right? But as a practice, convert them to standard form. Okay, so let me write down here answer in standard form. Okay, so this I'll call an application problem 1 for you in the test. Okay, try to do this question. If you have any difficulties, write down your comments and share your views with your friends. Thank you.